Rockwool insulation is one of our favorite types of insulation. So Steve and I are down here in Orlando at the International Builders Show. We're partnering with Rockwool on this video. And the reason why is very personal. A few years back, so this is a story from me. A few years back, I was remodeling our bathroom with the help of Steve. Well, Steve did most of the work. And we had to choose an insulation. And so I did some research and I found Rockwool at the time. And there are three reasons why I chose Rockwool for our family and for our personal home. Number one, it has fire resistance to it. Number two, it's water resistant. And three, there are soundproofing qualities. And we're going to show you demonstrations of that in this video. And so we continue to use Rockwool to this day. It's changing its name from Rockwool to Rockwool, and that's why we're doing this video, so that you're aware of that. This is Rockwool's sound insulation tunnel. It's really cool. This is 24-inch on-center Rockwool. And outside here is a huge convention. It's really loud, but in here, it's quiet. And that is reason number one why we use Rockwool, because I wake up really early in the morning, like 4 o'clock, and I don't want to wake up my wife and my kids by taking a shower. And that's one huge reason why I chose Rockwool to insulate the walls in the home and to make sure that everything is quiet. And that's great. So the soundproofing qualities are phenomenal and a really great reason to consider it. So reason number two has to do with water resistance, and we're going to show you a demonstration of that. So as you can see here, there's water running down this faucet, and it's going onto the Rockwool, and this is showing you the water resistance of the insulation. The reason why this is so important is Steve and I work on bathroom remodeling. We get a lot of advice on bathroom remodeling. If water vapor, or heaven forbid you get a water leak in your wall, it's not a big deal with the Rockwool because you're not going to lose the R value due to the fact that it's water resistant. So that's reason number two why we use Rockwool. Reason number three is fire resistance. So Rockwool is made out of basalt, which is essentially lava. And it's made out of slag, which is a byproduct of steel production. Steve and I are very familiar with that because we're from Pittsburgh, Steelers Nation, right? So when you combine those two things, you get a lot of fire resistance, and this won't burn until it reaches 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. In fact, we're going to show you a really cool demonstration here. So as you can see, Steve is putting his hand on the Rockwool, and he's not burning his hand. That's huge, right? So if there's a fire in your home, you're giving yourself a chance to get out before getting hurt if you use Rockwool in all of the walls. So that's reason number three why we use it. So now you know the three reasons why we use Rockwool. Now here's our question for you. Now that you know what you know, would you use Rockwool or would you use paper-faced insulation in a bathroom remodel? So we're just curious to hear what your thoughts are. Add them down in the comments. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.